Chloe here with Mark Williams Auto Group. Today I'm back with another pre-owned vehicle showcase, and today I've got this 2021 F-150 XLT. Let's take a look. This F-150 has a clean auto check with 0 accidents. It is finished in antimatter blue metallic and has the upgraded 20-inch chrome wheels. Trim is XLT with equipment group 302A. I personally think that it's one of the best values on the new F-150. It stays at an affordable price point, but it also gives you a ton of features like remote start and the giant Sync 4 touchscreen with voice-activated navigation. This truck is also loaded with equipment like the 5.0-liter V8 engine, Ford Co-Pilot 360, power sliding rear window, and the extended range 36-gallon fuel tank. Inside, we have the dark slate cloth with the center console. I love this setup because it has the center workstation. We also have the trailer tow package with built-in trailer brake controller, a power sliding rear window, and an onboard 400-watt outlet. That wraps up another pre-owned vehicle showcase. If you have any questions about this vehicle or any others in our inventory, feel free to give us a call or visit us online. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you soon.